How to get unbanned from Ome TV 2023. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how you will be able to unban yourself from using Ome TV. Here you'll be able to see that I am able to access my Ome TV account, but if you have a prompt that your account has been banned, what you can do here is click on your profile icon here right beside the three dots menu on the upper right corner of the screen and simply click on add profile. Here you just continue with a new account and you can just type in any name you like, whether it's a sample or account or new account. You can definitely name it whatever you want. So from here you can just simply type in Ome TV and just open the application with using this Google Chrome account or new profile that you have. So once you have this in your Ome TV, what you can do here is simply sign in using your FB or VK account. Make sure that the Facebook or your VK account that you will be using here is not the account that you used from the previous Ome TV account that you created, so that you will be able to successfully access your Ome TV here for this platform. So once you have successfully signed in with a new Facebook or a new VK account, you will now be able to use the Ome TV with connecting or interacting with other people and making new friends. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!